Well, the Garth House is gearing up for their annual fundraiser, and here with the details is Kim and Carrie. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
Absolutely. So this sounds like it's going to be a fun time, and of course, I'm holding this Fendi watch, of course, if you were wondering. So, you know, just one of the nice little items that are going to be on the auction. We're going to talk about the auction just a little bit, but let's talk about the event overall.
The event will be held Thursday night here at Garth House around 6:30, and this year's theme is New York, New York. We're doing a tribute to our contributors, the Big Apples, the New York, New York style. It's going to be glitzy and jazzy and fun this year. We have the Westbrook dancers coming to perform for us.
Nice.
They're going to do a chorus line dance before the dinner, and we have tons and tons of great auction items this year. And we also have a great menu.
Yes, the Golden Triangle Chefs Association is going to do the menu, and they're going to prepare the food, and it's all New York themed with New York strip and cheesecake and several vegetarian items, and it should be really great.
New York, ...
Yes.
Right, exactly,
Everything New York.
etc. We have a New York trip on the auction table up for grabs. We have Vail, Colorado trip. We have a great girls beach weekend trip. Oh, that sounds fabulous.
girl
I know.
power, yeah.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. And of course the beautiful Fendi watch from Matthews Jewelers. Yes. We have Las Vegas or Cabo San Lucas trip up for auction, a turkey hunt, and something really unique, a football camp by an NFL player whose name is Frank Middleton. And he will either take a group of kids and teach them the ins and outs of football, or even neater, if women, a bunch of girls get together and they really want to get into football and don't know, I'm not sure about exactly what goes on. He will teach that, whatever you would like.
Whatever his
he's in
group
for
is,
it.
he'll cater to that.
Absolutely,
Okay.
absolutely.
And let's step a little bit outside of the event, and let's talk about the Garth House and just what it does in the community.
Oh my goodness. Well, like Shelley said earlier, they're there to aid in abused children.
Yeah.
You make it more comfortable to talk to them about their situation, and they have a Jack, the dog, that makes their, a dog always makes kids more comfortable and happy and easier to approach.
Yeah.
And to help them, this is the biggest fundraising event, and so this is really important to work towards that goal to help the children.
For the children.
That's right, for for the children, and it's going to be so much fun this year, and we just want to encourage everyone to come out. You can still get tickets; they're still available. Call Garth House or garthhouse.org, and it's $100 a person, and that includes so much wonderful food and drink, entertainment.
All right, well, it sounds like a lot of fun, but most importantly, it sounds like it's for the best cause.
Absolutely.
For our
Definitely.
children.
That's right.
All right, ladies, well, thank you so much for joining us. And of course, with my Fendi watch, we're just going to toss it over to Kelly for a look at what's coming up.